59 handshakes that don't cross. Let's first try to understand the problem. So we are having an even number of people. This is the number of people, and that they stand around a circle, and each person shakes hands with someone else, so that there are number of people divided by 2 handshakes total. So for example, if there are 4 people, so there will be 2 handshakes. We're going to return the number of ways that handshakes could occur such that none of the handshakes cross. Yeah, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3, but there's no 2, 4, and 1, 3 because there's no cross. And our final answer will be modular 10 to the power plus 9. Yeah. So we need to prepare something 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. Yeah. Let's go to the whiteboard and let me explain the problem. So if there are 2 people, so for example, people 1 and people 2, how many cross? It will be 1 cross. So if there are 4 people, so we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, and how many cross? Yeah, there are 2 cross. Yeah, because like because like 1 2 3 4, that is one case. Another case is 2 4 1 3. Yeah, this is another case. So there will be two ways. So what about there are 6 people? Yeah, so if there are 6 people, there will be 5 ways. Yeah, I'm not drawing all of them, but I will explain. Some cases might be possible, or some cases might not be possible. So if we choose these two people first, so what's gonna happen? Is that possible from the left side and the right side? Yes, it is, because at the left side there are 2 people, and the right side also 2 people. So from the left side there's 1 way, and from the right side there's also 1 way. So how many ways if I split it like this? So it's gonna be 1 times 1. Yeah, this is one case, and there's also other cases. So what if I split it? Yeah, so this is like here is my split. From the left side there are 2 people, and the right side 2 people. So what if there is another split? Yeah, so it's gonna split like this. Yeah, it's gonna split like here. So from the left side there are 4 people, but from the right side there's 0 people. Yeah, so if there are 4 people, as we already calculated, there are 2 ways. Yeah, so it is 2. From the right side, if there's 0 people, so we're gonna define it as 1 ways, because we're gonna use multiplication, so we have to use a number. Should be 1, not 0. Yeah, yeah, because this one just means we choose this kind of because we choose these two people. So from the left side there are 4. So for 4 people there are 2 ways. From the right side there's 0 people. So we're gonna define it as 1 way. Yeah. So there is also another case. From the left side there's 0 people, but from the right side there's 4 people. Yeah. So how many ways? It is 1 times 2. So in total there will be 5 ways. Yeah. So this means for the problem, if we split for the left side and the right side, it must be even. If it is odd, it is not possible. So for example, if we split like this, yeah, if we split like this, yeah, so these are the 6 people. If we split like left side with 3 people, but the right side with 1 people, because we split as these 2 people. Yeah, if it is like 3 and 1, is that possible? It is not, because for 1 people, for 3 people at this side, it is not possible. If these 2 people shake hands, what about this one? It must cross. It must cross with another people. It is not possible. And for this 1 people, it must find another people, but there's no people from the let's say the right side. So this guy has to find people from the left side. So it must be a cross. So it means this is not possible. So in order to make it with no cross, yeah, no cross of handshaking, so we have to split it as odd numbers of people. Yeah, like that, and like this. Yeah. So let me give you an example of 8 people. So if there are 8 people, what's going to happen? So from the left side, it can be 6 people, and the right side 0, and the left side 0, right side 6, and the left side 2, right side 4, and the left side 4, right side 2. And then we're gonna just need to sum all of them. Yeah. So 6 we've already calculated. From here there are five ways, and so it means 5 times 1, and this is 1 times 5. For 2 and 4, this is 1 times 2, and 2 times 1. So we're gonna sum all of them. So 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2, so it is 14. Yeah, so this means we're gonna solve this problem by the recursive function, and for the recursive function we can use memorization. So this is just like a DP method. We cannot solve the big problem, but what if we just solve the small problem from the left side and the right side? Yeah, but if we cannot solve this sub problem, what if we just solve the smaller problem from the left side and the right side until, yeah, we find an edge case, like if it is equal to 0, so we're gonna return 1 until we find the answer. Yeah, so this means this is a big problem, we cannot solve it, so we're gonna split it to check from the left side, can we solve it from here, or from the right side, can we solve it from here. If we can still not solve it, we're gonna split it, yeah, until we can solve the problem. Yeah, so this is the DP problem. Now let's go back to finish the coding. So I'm gonna use the DFS. For the DFS, I'm gonna use memorization. So I'm gonna use a cast, and inside it's gonna be n, the number of people. So if n equal to 0, it means the edge case, I'm gonna return a 1. Then I'm gonna have a result equal to 0, and for I in raise, I have to choose the even number of people as my split. So I can choose from 0 to n and with 2, because I need to choose the even number of people as my split. So the result should plus equal to DFS, and it's going to be I times DFS n minus I minus 2. And finally, we're going to return this result. And the answer is just the DFS with the number of people. Yeah. So this is the entire code. So let me explain. So for example, if there are 2 people, so DFS 2, and it is not n, but for here, it's gonna check from 0 to 2. It's gonna check 0. It means the result should plus equal to DFS 0 plus times DFS 0. So 1 times 1, so it is 1. So if there are 2 people, we're gonna return a 1. So what about there are 4 people? If there are 4 people, so it's gonna be 0 and 2. N should be 0 and 2. If the n equal to, if I equal to 0, so the result should plus equal to DFS 0 times this is 4 minus 0 minus 2, DFS 2. So 0 times 2, DFS 0, it is 1. DFS 2, it is 1. So it is 1. And another is this I equals to 2. It means DFS 2 times DFS 0. So it is 1. So 1 plus 1, it is 2. So means, if there are 4 people, we're going to return 2. Similarly, we're going to use this DFS with memorization to get the result. So the final answer should be modular this mod. Yeah. Now let me submit it to check if it works. Yeah, as you can see, it works. Thank you for watching. And by the way, the time complexity, let's just check. It is the time complexity is just ON because we used the memorization. Yeah. Thank you for watching. See you next time.